Automatic rotary metal band saw is a specialized cutting machine that utilizes rotary motion to cut various material with precision and efficiency. This machine is designed for automatic operation, meaning it can be programmed to perform preset cutting patterns. It reduces the need for manual intervention and improves efficiency. The bandsaw blade running in a continuous motion as the material to be cut is fed into the machine. The rotary motion of the blade ensures smooth and precise cuts. Automatic rotary bandsaw machines offer adjustable cutting speeds to accommodate different materials and cutting requirements. The machine's feed mechanism controls the material's movement during the cutting process. For more detailed information, please contact us directly.